good people? Welcome to another episode of Benji's Foods. Now today I'll be going to a place in North London called Bang Bang Oriental. Come with me while we go through and check it out. Before we do that, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Bang Bang Oriental is the largest Asian food court in London. It boasts the widest range of specialty Asian restaurants in the whole of the UK, with a seating of around 450 people. Okay, so the first spot we came across was Coconut Tree, which specialised in Malaysian cuisine. I had a look around to see what else there was. The Chinese roasted duck looked really good, and also the Thai. This restaurant was called Little Thai Silk, which specialised in dishes such as green Thai curries, all the way to your fresh spring rolls. I then came across a restaurant which was called 168, which specialised in dim sum. Now, as you can see, this place was very busy on the day, so it was nearly impossible to find a seat. However, we found one in the end. After looking at all the different vendors, I decided to get some Chinese from a spot called Bamboo Hut. The food looked really good and I couldn't resist. So I ordered the sweet and sour chicken, egg fried rice, vegetable spring rolls and a 7-Up can, which came to a grand total of £14.50. You can see the buzzer.
Maybe you'll try it.
Maybe twice. Okay, so I've ordered my food. I'm about to get the sweet and sour chicken, and kept it simple today. I've been itching for some Chinese food, so let's see how it tastes. We'll go from there.
15 minutes later.
Okay, so I got the sweet and sour chicken, egg fried rice, vegetable spring rolls, obviously the 7-Up to wash it down. Okay, so I've just finished my food. Belly's nice and full. I was gonna order some more food, however, I feel like I can't stomach it, so yeah, that's me for today. But definitely gonna come back again and try the food out. So what did you get, Courtney?
Got some rice noodles, rice, chicken and vegetable.
Okay, so finished the food now. I'd say this place is really nice. It's got everything you need from Malaysian to Vietnamese to Chinese, and also got an Indian spot in the corner. It's definitely a place I'd recommend to come, and I'll definitely be coming again. Just seeing the dessert, it's really nice. So yeah, what I'm gonna do now, we'll go for a quick shisha with my boy Courtney, still eating. He's also got some food to take home as well. Alright.